Hi, this is a very quick bad quality video because I don't have that much time to edit this video. I just wanna show you how to fix image paste add-on in Blender 4.2 because apparently it doesn't work properly because some APIs have been changed and it's real quick. Let me show you. If I paste something right now with Control Shift V, uh, I get this error. And if we open this file in this address, it should be in your add-on directory, and you should open this file with Visual Studio Code, probably Notepad, whatever program you have. I have it open here, and we should change two lines, 161, 188. These are old. I think you should see what you see is for yourself would be these ones. But if I change them to right ones, which are um, these, um, it should work. I should save this file and I should close and reopen my Blender to see it work. So let me do that. So yeah, I reopened my Blender, and now if I press Ctrl Shift V, we have the image, and Ctrl Shift Alt V, we have the plane. And how can we know the API is correct? I mean, it's working, but how? Where did I find it? It's here in Add menu. Here, the Python code or Python API for reference and plane has been changed, and that's why the add-on doesn't work properly in this version. And if you have like me emergency works that you need the add-on and you can wait for the fixes and you want to use 4.2, so this is the fix. You can do it really quick. If you couldn't do it, you can comment down below. I upload this fixed file and you can just replace it in this directory, and that would be, I think, the fastest way to do it. But it's just very straightforward, and I hope this video wasn't too bad quality and it was helpful for you. And sorry for my not fluent English. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.